Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best IQ option script special for you. And if you not join my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel, okay? And if you download this script, link in my description box, simply click and download it, okay? And if you not join best binary option broker, link in my description box, simply click and sign up, start forex and buy right today, okay? And guys, today I'll show you how to install the script on IQ option and how to trade the script and 100% win strategy. And this script link in my description box. Open this file and copy this, okay? Copy this script code and go indicator, then click script, then add new script, then cut this here and paste this script, okay? And then click on save, and as you can see, script has been added on IQ option. Then set up the script, then click apply, okay? And as you can see, script apply perfectly, okay? And today how to trade this script, okay? Let's see. I have choose another currency, okay? Here is a put signal because market going down, okay? Sorry, okay. Here is up signal, I have placed it on higher option, okay? As you can see, market going down, up, okay? Sorry.